Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be filming my summer 2020 Fabfitfun unboxing. I actually just got the box in a couple hours ago and I was gonna wait and film it tomorrow, but if you get this box or any kind of subscription box, you are probably like me and you cannot wait to open it and dive in and see what your goodies are. And this box actually has some weight behind it. Excuse my appearance, I literally have been in my pajamas all morning, changed into a tank top, put on some makeup, and my hair has seen better days, but I wanted to get this filmed because I want to know what's in it. So anyway, this is what the box looks like. And then when you open it up, if you guys have seen my videos of like this before, this is the inside, by the way. You know that they always partner with some organization. I think this one is the Special Olympics, so that's pretty cool. And then on the little magazine that tells you what you got, it is Gabby Douglas, which that doesn't even look like Gabby Douglas. We'll go ahead and get into this, and at the end, of course, we'll calculate and see how much everything is. So, oh, I think now I know what's making it weigh so much. Okay, so first of all, I see this, which is a hydropeptide moisture reset face oil. So that's the packaging. Sorry if the lighting is off. Y'all know I use natural lighting and it's a cloudy day today, so not the best lighting. Ooh. Ooh, I love that packaging. I know y'all can't really see what it says, but look at that packaging. Oh my God. Let's see. Ooh. So, oh my gosh. Did it say rose on there? Maybe not, I don't know. But oh my Lord. I wanna feel this oil, sorry. Ooh, that sinks into skin super fast. Oh my God, and I love face oils. Okay, I'm really excited to try that. This thing called Beach Mist from the Lifestyle Co. Botanical After Sun Spray. See if I can bust into this bad boy. Okay. Ooh. So it's fancy. Let's see. Can you guys see that? There's no scent to it at all. Like literally no scent. It just feels like I'm spraying water on my face. Does it say anything about it? Shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of the body. So I guess it's just meant to kind of cool you down if you've had like a long day at the beach or the pool or something. It's kind of nice to not have fragrance in it though, because I think last year we all got, at least I think most of us did, the Coola SPF setting spray. It was so potent with the smell of like chemical sunscreen that I literally had to give mine away. I couldn't do it. All right, this. Sorry, I got a little overexcited when I saw this little beauty blender in there. It's from Makeup Drop. It's a hybrid. Look at that color. It says silicone for sculpting and outlining and sponge for flawless airbrush finish. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a try. This is the silicone side. And then obviously this is where you would bounce. It just says apply a small amount of product directly on the silicone side, dab, draw, or sculpt makeup into face. And blend out edges with sponge side and add a smile. So it feels right now alone nice and soft. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this. I'll see, maybe like tomorrow I'll try it or something, but yeah, I like that color. And the next thing I was gonna pull out was this, Summer and Rose, a place for everything. So it's a ceramic tray, so we're gonna be very careful getting this thing out. Okay, hold on. Ooh, I like that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like rose gold with like light pink accents. That is pretty. I have no idea what I'm gonna use that for, but that is pretty. Oh my. Next thing I see is the brand Riddle. It's a roll-on fragrance oil. I have not gotten any kind of perfume sample in anything since I did Ipsy. I used to do Ipsy and I stopped because I felt like I was getting all of the same product and I was always getting perfume samples. I like the perfume samples. Let's see. Original by Riddle. Do I like this? It's definitely, it's not like a fruity scent at all. It's more of like a musky, woodsy kind of scent, almost like, it almost smells like men's cologne. Apply to pulse points, that's it, and rub into skin. It smells good, but definitely one of those kind of more date night type of, you know, sexy smells, if you will. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore. This stuff. Pop the little, I might even that with my left hand. Sifter. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. This feels like it's gonna be nice. Oh my god. That is so luxurious. Can you guys see that? That's so luxurious feeling. Ooh. I sit here and keep rubbing it into my hand, but I'll move on. Ooh. This is heavy. This is what had the weight to it, I think. Terry Mare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Good Lord. Look at that. This thing is big. It says, reveal your most beautiful complexion with the genius formula of our aloe and tea tree toner. Huh, look at that. Ooh. It's anti-aging, oh my god. Please don't smell like potent. I kind of wanna, there's like a little thing there. Okay, lift that off. See if I can. There's no like real scent to it. Obviously aloe and tea tree. I'm over here thinking I'm gonna get like a rose scent just because of the packaging. It's aloe and tea tree. And the final thing in here, no, this is what had the weight for sure, is the Mason Home Scent Collection. I think, oh, this is a diffuser. Did I do a diffuser? I did a diffuser? It says Solstice Diffuser, Bergamot, Vetiver, Geranium, and Patchouli. I feel like I'm back at Aveda reading all those little notes of fragrance. This thing is huge, you guys. Good Lord. Okay. You guys, they could not have made this any more difficult to get into than they already have. I don't really know what this is. These are the little, like, funky sticks. It's one of those diffusers where, like, you put the sticks in the oil and, you know, diffuses. They could have made this a lot easier to open. Jeez. Please. All that for this. This is the little thing. I guess you would pop this in there and then diffuse. All right, well, that took a hot minute to get that open. Does this have any scent to it? This has to have something. Hold on. Oh, I'm scared. Hold on, this is gonna possibly get oil. Okay. It smells good. Okay, so I just finished adding up everything, and the Pottery Barn diffuser was $59. The face oil was $120. And then we got the tea tree toner, the aloe and tea tree toner, that was $54. The Kate Somerville goat milk was $65. And then the perfume, the roll-on perfume was $50, and the makeup drop applicator was $20. In total, this box was $368, and it retailed, the total value is between $225.50 to $477. That's insane. I think this may be one of the best FabFitFun boxes I've ever gotten. It certainly had a lot more in it than I've gotten in my last couple boxes, but I definitely feel like I got a good amount of items to try in this box. So yeah, to use a lot of these products, especially like the skincare items like the face oil and the beach mist and the goat milk. Oh, and that sponge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.